Hello everyone. In today's session, we will learn about comments in Python. So, we will see what are comments in code and why we need to add comments in code. We will also see single line comments and what are the multiple line comments. So, single line comments and multiple line comments are the types of comments we can add. So, what are the comments and why comments are used in a code? So, comments are non-executable code. Comments used to write description about code and logic so that it will be helpful to understand and maintain the code easily. So for example, if I am a developer and I write the code, so if after certain logic and some part of the code, I will have to write some comments as well, so that the person who will refer that code in future will easily understand that what exactly logic or what exactly the purpose of that specific line of codes. So that is the best way to explain the purpose or the logic of the code in very short words by adding comments. So that's why basically comments are used in the code. So Python ignore the comments in runtime. So whenever the code will get executed, whatever comments which we have added in the code, those comment will be ignored at runtime. So single line comment, right? So there are two types of comments we can add. First one is single line comment as well as multiple line comments. So single line comments are used to describe code in a single line. So if you want to describe the code in single line, you have to use single line comment, and the syntax is basically it starts with hash symbol. If you see the symbol hash, right? So if you write anything after the hash symbol in a single line, that will be treated as single line comment. For example, if you see here, right, so this is the single line comment, and after that we have written the code statement explaining that it will print hello, right? So whenever the program will get executed, it will print the hello on our console, but this line will be ignored because this is a single line comment. Similarly here it will print the value of n, but it will ignore this line, that is single line comment, because it is added after the hash symbol. So this is how we can use the single line comment. Similarly, if we want to write or if you want to describe the code logic or part of the code in multiple lines, if you want to describe the multiple lines, then we can use multi-line comments. So if you want to describe something in more than one lines, so in that case what you can do, you can simply add those lines in triplet of single quotes. So whatever you write in between this triplet of single quotes, that will be considered as a comments. Those are basically multiple line comments. So instead of triplet of single quotes, we can also use triplet of double quotes as well. So whatever you write in between this triplet of double quotes, that will be treated as multi-line comments, and that part will be ignored by Python while executing the code. Now let's see practically how we can do that. So I am just going to open PyCharm. In our project, we can simply add, I am just going to create new file. I am just naming that file as comment demo.py. So py is the extension of file. Okay, so we have created the file. Now I am simply adding hash symbol, and after that I am writing this line. This is basically comment, single line comment. This is single line comment. Similarly, we can also add, for example, if I add comment 2, right? So we can also write in this way as well. So whatever I write after the hash symbol, that is part of the comment only. So this is also single line comment. So these are all the single line comments. Now after that, if I write some code, let's say I write print hello world, and what this statement will do, so I will just add comment here as well. So I am just adding one single line comment explaining that this will print hello world, right? So I am just saving the file. After the saving the file, I am right clicking and let's run this file. So I am just running this file. You can see here, right? So it printed the hello world, but it ignored all this part, right? So whatever we have added in single line comments, it ignored that part. So that is how we can use the single line comments. Similarly, let's say I will show you how we can use multiple line comments. So for example, if I use triplet of double quotes, right? So these are the triplet of double quotes. So within this triplet of double quotes, if I write something, this is multi-line comments. So whatever I write in this within this triplet of double quotes, that will be treated as multiple line comments. Comment line 3 or comment line 4. So all this part will be treated as comment only. So after that also, let's save this file and let's run this file. Right, if you see again, right, so this part got ignored, right, so this is not executed. Basically this is comments. It will only print hello world. That is the actual code which we have written, right? Similarly we can also write, now let's say I'm adding one more thing, so we can also use triplet of single quotes as well, right? So whatever I write within the triplet of this single code, let's say comment 5, comment 6, comment 7. So we are writing the comments in multiple lines within this triplet of single quotes. So this is also similar to what we have done here, right? So we can use either of the triplet of double quotes, or we can also use triplet of single quotes as well. Both are same. So this will be also treated as comment. Now let's write some code statement. For example, let's say a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Now let's print sum of a and b. So I will just print a plus b. So this is a part of the code, right? Here let's save this file, let's run this file, right? So it will execute the code part only. For example, it printed hello world, which we have written here, that is the code statement. Also it printed the value of 30, that's the code part which we have written here, right? So apart from this, whatever we have written in triplet of single quotes, whatever we have written in triplet of double quotes, all this treated, and also this one, so all this treated as comments only, right? So this is how we can use comments in Python. So if you simply see, this is the single line comments. We can simply add by after using hash symbol. So whatever we write after hash symbol, that is treated as single line comment. And if you want to describe the comment in multiple lines, then we can simply use triplet of double quotes or a triplet of single quotes, and that those comments will be ignored by the Python, and it will only print, or it will only execute the code statement, right? So it will print the hello world, which is the code statement. Also it will print this part, that is also a code statement. Apart from this, whatever we have written in comments, that will be ignored, and that is the benefit of adding comments. So that was about the single line as well as multiple line comments. In the coming lecture we will see some more interesting topic about Python. So thank you for watching.